Yes! 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 Ah! Beyonce! Okay. I'm ready. I'm ready for Beyonce. I need you guys to look at this masterpiece. Guys. All for Miss Queen Bey. Oh, you guys have to see the shoes. My Chanel's. Now we're off to the show. Ihama is taking off things from her dress. Let me do it for you, because it's... So, we are trekking the trek of life. We are walking. This girl got her boots on. I got my booties. We walking for you, babe. We coming for you, mama.
Gentlemen, Beyonce.
How's everybody feeling tomorrow? What about my left side? What about you beautiful people over here? How y'all doing? Yeah! Thank you so much! I'll see you all the way in the back. How's the crowd take time in the house? It's your 30th birthday, happy birthday. Please give it up for the dogs. Please give it up for my people out there. Please give it up for their twins. Please give it up for Blue, Ivy, Fire. Please give it up for the hardest working crew. Please give it up for my background singers. Yo, honey, happy birthday to you. Taylor, Asha, Calvin, 27th birthday.
We found someone to take us to a gas station because there's so many crowds. We're not the only ones. Look at other people doing this. Hello! I didn't pronounce riding bikes. Beyonce, look at what we're doing for you. Hey, her mother. I'm expecting my check. Her.
Overtired, but like still excited.
It's very beautiful. Turn it off down now.
Welcome to the Venetian. They love this space. Look, the God is so old school. Like, imagine coming to stay here in the 1990s. Yo, you probably thought you was a king. You was King Konging. You was King Konging, baby. Yeah. And it's lots of space. I mean, the other place was spacious too.
Girl, it wasn't this spacious.
Girl.
Let's calm the hell down. Okay. This is a sweet
And girl, why did we get upgraded again? Yeah, that bitches really don't. Yeah. She was like, yeah, because I did not pay for a
This is a suite, Louisa. You know that, right?
a strip view. She was like, yeah, you're on the 33rd floor, strip view. Enjoy.
Yeah, this is sweet. And you know
So,
why I knew that we were going to check in? Because nobody was keeping their bags somewhere. They were not carrying
yeah.
bags. When you know that